I am Rajesh Kumar, your chemistry teacher, SVM Senedi. Today I teach about some basic tips to write chemical formulae of various ionic compounds. That means in this session we know about chemistry of compound formation. Let us start. For the formation of ionic compounds, first of all we have to know about valency of the elements. Then what is valency of the element? The combining capacity of the elements is called valency of the elements. And what is the combining capacity? Combining capacity refers to the number of electrons lost or gained by an atom of the element to complete their own octet. Let us see valency of some metals such as valency of sodium, potassium and silver is 1. Similarly, valency of calcium, magnesium, zinc, barium is 2 and valency of aluminum is 3. Valency of copper 1 and 2, cuprous and cupric. Valency of mercury 1 and 2, mercurous, mercuric. Valency of iron 2 and 3, ferrous and ferric. Valency of gold, aurous, auric 2 and 3 respectively. Valency of tin 2 and 4, stannous, stannic. Valency of lead, plumbous, plumbic 2 and 4 respectively. Similarly, we have to know about valency of some ions. Valency of hydride ions 1, carbide 4, nitride 3, oxide 2, halide 1, sulfide 2, phosphide 3, hydroxide 1, carbonate 2, bicarbonate 1, nitrate 1, nitrite 1, peroxide 2, azide 1, chloride 1, hypochlorite 1, chlorate 1, perchlorate 1, sulfate 2, bisulfate 1, sulfite 2, bisulfite 1, phosphate 3, phosphite 3, ammonium 1, acetate 1, aluminate 2, meta-aluminate 1, silicate 2, zincate 2, manganate 2, permanganate 1, valency of chromate 2, dichromate 2, ferrocyanide 4, ferricyanide 3. If we know the valencies of these metals and ions, we can write the formula of ionic compounds such as first suppose we have to write formula of calcium phosphate. Then first of all you have to know the formula of calcium and phosphate and write their valencies and exchange their valencies, and then finally we get the formula of calcium phosphate. Similarly, we have to write formula of calcium sulfate. The formula of calcium and sulfate Ca and SO4, and their valencies are 2 and 2. If you have same valencies of the components, then cancelled out, then finally the formula would be CaSO4. Now we want to write the formula of sodium oxide. The symbols of sodium and oxygen are Na and O respectively, and their valencies are 1 and 2. Hence, the formula of sodium oxide becomes Na2O. In this sense, we can write the valency of a various number of ionic compounds. There are some problems given for practice. Students, please write the chemical formulas of these compounds, and in this means we can see that we can able to write the chemical formula of the ionic compounds. Thank you.